From Daily Forex, this is Chris, and I'm looking at Bitcoin. You can see we did almost nothing on Thursday. Not a huge surprise. It's Thanksgiving Day in America, so volume would have been an issue. But then again, volume's been an issue for a while. The only time we see good volume is when the market breaks down. $5,000 will be probably an area that the buyers will try to attempt to recover, but quite frankly, it's just another selling area. This market will break 4,000 given enough time. And when I look at the longer term charts, um, I mean, nothing good about this. There's just nothing good about this chart. We are going lower, probably much lower. This was an area that held for a long time, and now that that's given way, um, I just don't see the argument for it going higher. The reality is Bitcoin is not being adopted, so it doesn't really have any use. And unlike other bubbles that we've seen over the last few years, I'm thinking of housing, for example. A housing bubble, the one difference is that if price implodes, it still has utility, it still has a use. If you have a $400,000 house that's suddenly only worth $50,000, you can still live there. It still has a function. Bitcoin has none. I live in one of the most technologically advanced cities in North America, and I don't. There probably are places. I think there's an auto body shop that will take Bitcoin that I've heard them announce, but that's about it. So it's just not being used every day, and I think this is the market finally realizing that if there is cryptocurrency, and I do believe in cryptocurrency, it's going to be issued by central banks. 98, 99% of the population is going to go with what the Federal Reserve puts out there. I'm a libertarian by nature, but I recognize this. It's just not going to happen. So at this point, it's sell the rallies. Going forward, I will go back and forth between Bitcoin and some other currency pairs, as there's really not much to say except for sell it every time it rallies, at least until we break above the 50-day EMA.